You got a friend in me. Yes, you do. Anyways, this is Kitty Affirmations here, and I'm here to do a video. Okay, so this video is going to be review update number 555. Cinco. And this is going to be the last review update. So, before I get started, if you are a new fan or a follower, please click that subscribe button down below so y'all guys will be notified. If y'all guys want any other ideas, if y'all guys want me to do, just leave a comment down below and I will get to each individual fan or followers. As I always said, I always do. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this VTO. Let's go, people. Okay. So, I always wanted to try this, and I actually want to know if it's real and if it does work. So, what we are reviewing today is a AMOS, I think that's the name of it, is a tasty sound audio lollipop. Yes, I just said audio lollipop. Listen to music through your mouth. Hip hop music. This is going to be a strawberry flavor. .42 ounce, 12 grams, and on the bottom is warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 4 years old. So on the side of it, it gives you the instructions how to enjoy it. So we're going to read that, how to enjoy it. Long press the button to turn on. Number 2, put on the earplugs and bite on the candy. Number 3, single click the button to pause or play. Number 4, double click the button to stop playing. So the playlist that they have, Song Up to Something, artists, T.Y. Noam Frankel / Louis Rogerman, song main event, artist Phyllis Peter Dougley Patton / Olivia Wilde and Tom Barnes, song Perfect Disaster, artist Anthony Demetrio Arasi, Arasi, Brian E. Johnson Jr., Joey Casanova, Casanove, Patrick J. Bird. And you can scan to listen to music inside the lollipop. And the other side of it, technically you could taste and listen, build in with music, up to 60 minutes. Wow. Bone conduction technology. Remove the pause icon and play the music here. So this is also from age 4+. Caution, small objects such as hard and soft candles may intentionally become lounge in the throat. So I'm going to show y'all guys. That is how it looks like. I've been seeing these all over Amazon, eBay. I just was like, I have to try this. And then, sorry about the lighting. And then this is the instructions on this side. And this is just letting you know what I said. Taste and listen, building music up to 60 minutes. This lollipop could go up to 60 minutes of music. That is insane. So, one piece is a 12 gram, calories is 50, I read this stuff because just in case if you have people that is kind of icky on some things like this. So, total fat 0, sodium 0, carbohydrate 4%, protein 0. So there's a lot of 0 on here. Okay, not a sufficient source. Saturate fat, trans fat, coleslaw, diet fiber, vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium. The ingredients in here, just in case if you're allergic to this. If not, I don't read the whole thing. So if y'all guys want to know the full ingredients, please go to Google and it will let you know all then and there. So this has syrup, water, lactic acid, natural flavor, sodium, concentrated fruit and vegetable juices, sweet potato concentrate, apple concentrate, black carrot, and juice concentrate. Okay. And the rest goes down distributed by the AMOS Sweet Ink. There's a scan and which is made in China. Of course, everything's always made in China. So let's go ahead and get this baby open so we could give this a try and see how it looks like. I am new to this as well, so I am excited to share this with y'all. So I'm going to go open it from up here. I'm a little nervous to a point. I just like to know, is the music real? Alright, so when you pull it out, it's in the bag here, and which something has dropped, like it does says, here is the headphones to put in. And here is the instructions. Alright, so we're going to open these. The first thing I see as I open these look like earplugs. They're technically all squished and could have just got my own. So technically, I guess you put those in your ear. Hold the button to turn on. They don't tell you the first step of putting the headphones in. Or this says on here, number 1. Okay, well, just in case, if it does get loud, I want to be prepared and put this in my ear. I'm just giving this a try and see what happens. Because if I don't hear anything, then I'm doing something wrong. Alright, so let's open this. Oh my god, like so a little nerve-wracking with this. Is there even a way to open this? I need my scissors. Ugh. Oh, okay, there it goes. Oh! So, as soon as I opened it, I smelled the strawberry. Oh my god. So this is how it looks like. And the button looks like it's right there on top. So hold the button to turn on. Put the earplugs in your ears, including place the lollipop in your mouth and hold between your tongue and palate. Oh my God. The flavor is amazing. Oh my God. And it's vibrating, like if it's not in your mouth. I definitely heard the music. Click the button to pause or play. And it did work. It paused it. Double click the button to stop playing. And it did shut off. I got to. I got to listen to it again. It's back on. Okay. This is real. I was just kind of curious on this laptop. This lollipop. I don't know where that came from. The strawberry flavor is really, really, really good. The music, jamming to this, having a lollipop in your pocket like this, or anywhere going for a walk, or just want to jam to something. This is definitely a 10 for me. I would definitely recommend this and everybody to try it if y'all guys already tried it. We all have our different opinions on things and numbers. But I think I'm going to keep going forward buying these as well. This is a good anxiety to a point. You know, it helps your anxiety. You know, you're putting your sugar inside of you. And then when you have like something that is bothering you, just you know, whatever music that they put on here. Go give this a try out, people. It's by AMOS, AMOS, by Tasty Sounds. The audio lollipop. This is a good review for me. I'm giving a real thumbs up with this one. I love it. The packaging came very well, was not damaged. Minus the earplugs were a little squished up, but that's okay. But I definitely recommend y'all giving this a try out. Big time. And right now I got it off. If y'all guys don't want to listen to music, you can still suck it like a lollipop. Suck it like a lollipop. Just don't drop yours. That's why it'd be better to go buy more than one. This is really good. Yeah, every time I did that, I could kind of feel this stain a little bit. I just think it's really cute of the design and how they did this. This is amazing. And if you don't finish it, I would just stick it back in the pack, put it in like a Ziploc, put it in the refrigerator. Because it does have a date on here when it expires. So it should be okay. This is the bomb. Alright. So, this is my last review update. Cinco, number 555. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed every single one of my review updates. It started from the M&Ms and ongoing. So I hope this surprise of a review update was as surprised as myself for the first time or trying this. That is good. But anyways, I hope everybody has a God bless morning or day or night wherever you're at. Always stay positive and cherish the loved ones around us. Give them a hand. Love each individual. Do not be greedy. Always help people that needs in a hand. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. So, one more time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below so y'all guys will be notified by the bell. Ding dong. Other than that, I will be back with another upload video, but the review updates are officially done right now. So, God bless everyone. Take care. Love y'all.